Greetings, dear seekers of knowledge. Today, I shall unveil 7 enchanting professions that even the most formidable artificial intelligence dare not challenge. Beware, ChatGPT, for there are realms that strike fear into your algorithms, where the indomitable spirit of human creativity outshines your digital might. Hold on to your hats as we dive headfirst into the enchanting realm of the wealth wizard, where I, your humble host, shall reveal the mysterious secrets that lie within the captivating world of unstoppable wealth. Creative professions. Our first enchantment lies in the realm of creation, where imagination dances and inspiration ignites. Meet Katie, a gifted novelist who conjures worlds with her words, through the writing of tales that touch hearts and minds. Katie's creations inspire, provoke thought, and stir emotions. No AI could ever capture the essence of her unique voice or evoke the same wonder in readers' hearts. Therapy and counseling. Venture now into the realm of empathy, where souls find solace and minds find peace. Here resides Dr. James, a wise counselor. With gentle guidance and deep understanding, he supports those in need. AI may attempt to simulate empathy, but it lacks the profound connection that only a human healer can provide. Dr. James wields the power of empathy to help mend broken spirits. Teaching and education. In the realm of knowledge, where curiosity thrives, lies Mr. Wilson, the embodiment of wisdom. He imparts knowledge, ignites curiosity, and shapes young minds. While AI can offer information, it lacks the human touch, the spark of inspiration that turns facts into wisdom. Mr. Wilson kindles the flames of curiosity, nurturing the scholars of tomorrow. Medical diagnoses and health care. Now, let us delve into the realm of healing, where compassion meets expertise. Here, Dr. Lucas, a skilled physician, wields the wand of medicine. While AI can assist in diagnosing ailments, it cannot grasp the nuances of human conditions. Dr. Lucas combines medical knowledge, intuition, and bedside manner to provide holistic care, offering comfort and hope to those in need. Leadership and strategic decision-making. Behold, the realm of leadership, where vision takes form and destinies intertwine. Mary, a visionary leader, harnesses the power of human connection. AI may optimize processes, but it cannot inspire teams, adapt to changing tides, or make intuitive leaps. Mary weaves her magic, fostering collaboration and steering her team toward greatness. Skilled trades and crafts. Our next enchantment lies in the realm of skilled trades, where craftsmanship blossoms. Enter David, a master of his craft, shaping raw materials with his skilled hands. AI may automate repetitive tasks, but it lacks the artistry, improvisation, and deep understanding of the physical world. David's expertise weaves magic into his creations, crafting pieces that stand the test of time. Software engineering and programming. Our magical journey continues to the realm of coding and creation, where software engineers, computer programmers, and AI developers work their marvelous spells. Let me tell you why AI can never fully replace them. Meet Will, a brilliant software engineer. He possesses a deep understanding of the mystical language of code. While AI algorithms can assist in automating or optimizing certain tasks, it is the human mind that brings forth innovative solutions and navigates the complexities of software development. We weave spells of logic and creativity, crafting intricate programs that shape our digital world. Through artistry, collaboration, and innovation, technology experts can bring forth creations that transcend the limits of even the AI that they have so masterfully created. Dear seekers, in these 7 mystical realms there are jobs that even the most advanced AI cannot replace. The magic lies within the human touch, the wisdom gained through experience, and the ability to connect deeply with one another. Embrace these enchanted professions, for they are the guardians of our collective humanity. I extend my sincerest gratitude for joining me on this enchanting quest. If the magical insights we have unveiled have sparked joy and illumination within your heart, I beseech you to lend your magical support by liking this modest video, subscribing to our channel, and sharing your thoughts through the comments below. You ensure that I, the Wealth Wizard, may continue to spread financial wisdom in the days to come. Farewell, dear apprentice, until our destinies align once more on our next wealth-seeking conquest.